Okay, so this is a video for Marlene, I believe. I got a comment just about 29 minutes ago saying that she removed the roller brush on her Bissel Readyclean, and now it's very difficult to get back in. So I'm going to attempt to show how to take it out and put it back in a quick phone video here. So this is the underside of the Bissel Readyclean carpet cleaner, and I've already loosened the screw right here. And my lovely wife has taken the phone so that I can have two hands to try and do this. And so this belt cover just lifts right out. And then you see there's a little bearing on the side here. And that pulls off like this. Now notice the orientation of this part. You see these little clippy things here. They just slide right into this, and the little pin goes in there like that. So I'm going to set this off to the side so that I can take this all the way off and show the orientation of the other side of the brush. This pulls out here just like that, and then there's this piece which you really shouldn't have to remove. So that's that, and then of course there's the belt right here, and the brush comes out. So I'm going to go ahead and put the brush back into the belt. Then I'm going to take this side. There's a little pin right here, this little axle right here, and that goes into this little carriage here. And then we've got this, and we remember that these two little cradles right there go on top, right there, like that. And so I'm going to put that back on the little axle and slide that down, and you see it seats itself pretty securely. And then I take the cover and I just stick this end in first and then close it down over top of everything. You'll kind of feel it seat where it's supposed to. And then I'm going to tighten the screw. There we go. And you'll see there's still a little bit of play in here, but the roller is rolling just fine. And of course I've got more pet hair in there because there's always more pet hair in there. But that is how to take out the brush and put it back in a Bissel Readyclean carpet cleaner. So there you go. Be brave and have fun. Hope this helps.